Welcome back to Best Bet Trades. It's your boy Gundy, and we're going to go over some stock analysis on Para, Sndl, Cei, Coca-Cola, and Didi. So let's get right into it, guys. Hey, before we get started, drop a like, subscribe. If you guys want access to these indicators, there's free. The link for the Discord is below. Get in touch with us there, join the Discord, and we'll get right back to you. You guys will get these indicators free. So let's get right into it. Paramount. As you can see, Paramount on the daily chart. This is the daily chart. Look at the MACD and the RSI. It's kind of curling over. As you can see, there's huge resistance at $39.25. Honestly, I'm holding swinging puts on this. Get puts a couple weeks out. Because honestly, look at. Once it breaks this level of 37.30 and makes it resistance, it's just going to crash in my opinion. Right now, she's under the buy signal on the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour. The 4-hour too, look, as you can see on the MACD, she's just trending downward. I'm just bearish on it. 1 hour. 1 hour looks a little bit good, like it could get a little pop up there. But like overall, I'm bearish on it. I'm just waiting for it to break this key level. I called it out in the Discord. Once it breaks that level and turns it into resistance, then that's when I'm going to be entering. I mean, I do have puts, but they're a couple weeks out. I'm just going to load up more once I get the confirmation. With that being said, let's go to Sndl. Sndl on the daily. There's a gap to fill right here, like 58 cents. She's under the sell signal. She was overbought, and you can tell she's cooling off. Look at all this resistance. Look at all these wicks. These wicks are just telling me, oh, there's a bunch of resistance at this level. Let's go to the 4-hour, see what the 4-hour looks like. I think she's going to drop down to at least around 36 cents. I mean 63 cents. Around 63 cents if she can find support around there. The next level I would be for support is 59 cents. If it can make 59 support. If not, it fills the gap at 58 cents. And then I would look for the reversal. On the 1-hour, she's under the sell signal. And she's kind of just consolidating down. She's really making 69 cents support. Look at the wicks right here. Look at the wick. Look at the wick right here as well. So this is support. And now if she breaks this level, if she breaks this 69 cent level, she's going to go down and fill the gap. And then once she gets to that, go back to the 4-hour, 1 hour. She needs to jump up, and then she needs to also make 73, 74 cents support. Once she makes that support, there's big upside potential in my mind. To me, buy some calls. That's what I'm doing. I'm swinging calls on Sndl. Go a year out. That's what I'm doing. The contracts are too cheap not to get into this. The risk to reward ratio is great. So with that being said, I think the low on this stock right now is going to be around 58 cents. If she drops down to 58 cents, look for the gap close reversal and for her to head up at least a little bit. Let's jump into Cei. Cei on the daily. She's just consolidating right around this level. Huge support right around 79 cents. If she breaks this 81 cent level, then that's when I will be worried. But on the daily, you can tell, look on the MACD and RSI, she is trending down. Look at the yellow line. Let's look at the 4-hour. She breaks the 78 cent level. Then the next support below that is 69 cents. But she's just really consolidating at this level for days. She's really not, the channel has not changed. So in my mind, she's consolidating for a bigger pop. So what you want to see is when these stocks are moving, you want to see obviously cooling down, but the price staying the same. That's when you know it's going to rip. So Look at the charts. Obviously, the chart down here where the arrow is, it's cooling off. But right here, staying at this level. Honestly, there's more upside potential than downside potential. So if you want to swing these, I would swing these. There is, huge support at 46 cents. Huge support at 69 cents and 81 cents. Now there is a gap to fill right here at $1.07. It will fill that gap. There is also another gap right here at $1.23. It will fill that gap. It's making this, it's just consolidating. Consolidation is good. Let it keep consolidating as the chart cools off. If it stays around within this range, when it finally cools off and pops, there will be big upside to it. Okay, let's go into Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is right at that make or break it point. It's searching for new all-time highs on the daily. It's under the buy signal. There's gaps below at right here at 60 cents. There's also a gap below right here at 58 cents. I don't count the wicks. Some people do. I don't. Just really depends. Those are all levels of support. But she's right at the top. If you look, she does have room on the daily to run. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, guys, look, if you were swinging this stock on the 4 hour chart, look how beautiful this is. Back here, you would have bought it. Even if you bought it here and you would have just rode it out under the buy, you'd have made all that money. That would have been all great swing trades. So that's what I do when I'm swinging a stock. I use these indicators. Obviously, it's overbought right now on the 4 hour chart. But as you can see right here in the MACD, there's a little green candle right here. So, she's right at that, searching for new highs. If she could break out of this level and turn this level right now that she's at into support, then she's going to go up. There's no doubt about it in my mind. As you can see on the 1 hour chart, she's looking beautiful. She's looking beautiful. Right here. Look at all that. Look at on the MACD and RSI. She's curling up. On the 30-minute, same thing as well. There's more upside potential than downside potential. In my mind, once I see it make this level support, true support at like 62, 66, and then around $63. $63 is really where, that's where all the resistance is. Now, she might run up a couple days or the next 2 days and then fall off. We're going to be looking for that as well. We play both sides, guys. We're not bears. We're not bulls. We're day traders looking to make profit. If you guys make 20% profit on your account a day, even 10%, and you compound it and compound it and compound it, over a year's time, you'll be like, wow. So those days when you're only up 5%, 6%, take them gains. Because even at 2%, over time, and you keep compounding it, it becomes a really big account. So just keep doing that. And I'm blessed to do this every day. I've made changes in my life. The co-founder as well made changes in his life. We chased our dream, and here we are now doing this daily. We're not bullshitters. We're just regular people like you guys. When we first started, we knew nothing. Lost a lot of money. We had some wins, had some losses. But overall, we came up with this strategy, and it's been over 90% accurate. So with that being said, there's a link below for the Discord. We're going to go over all our strategies. We're actually making videos right now to put in the Discord so you guys can use our strategy as well. But if you guys want these indicators, just let us know. They're free. Join the Discord. We're talking about stocks daily on there, giving call outs, all that good stuff. So let's go on to DIDI. I was looking at this thing on the daily. Look at this yellow line. She's just trending up. Even though there's red right here, look at this. Look at this. And then it's just, I feel like it's going to pop. It has support, huge support at $2.49. If it could make $3.20 support, she's going to skyrocket. She's going to go fill the gap at $3.74. There's a gap to fill there. On the 4 hour chart, look at that. She's consolidating beautifully. There's a gap to fill at $2.51. Keep that in mind. There's also another gap down here to fill out like $1.84. But right now, the way she stands, she's under the bear signal. But as you can see, she's falling. Look at the chart. Now, just because this chart looks like it's going to pop doesn't mean it always turns out to be a great pop. It could be just a little bloop, just a lower high, if that makes sense. So, you know, lower high, lower high, lower high. It just keeps lower high. You see, and look at all these wicks. So just be careful with it, but I am a little bullish on it. In my mind, she might come back down to fill this gap around $2.53, the gap close reversal, and then take off. But there is upside potential to this stock. But as you can see on the 4-hour, look at that wick. That is a bearish wick. But she's also cooling off, and she found support right here. She filled the gap already. She filled the gap right here at $2.51 and jumped up. Boom. Now there's another gap to fill down here. So once she goes back down and fills the gap, there might be, but I feel like she's going to actually got a lot of upside potential. If she could turn $3.24 into support as well, then she's going to explode. She's going to go to at least $3.75. Now, guys, when she comes up to this level right here at $3.48, she might be, you know, bearish there. That's huge resistance right there. So if she can't break through there, we'll be looking for the puts to go down as well. If she does break through, once she fills the gap, we'll be looking for the puts there as well. These are all key levels. Looking at puts for at $4.39 level. These are all put levels. So if they go to these levels and they look like resistance and they can't break above it, you get the puts and you write it down for the micro and you make 40, 30, 50% and you get in and out, micro, in and out. We don't waste time. We don't play games. So let's make this money together. Guys, like, subscribe, share. I'm going to put a link down for the Discord. It is absolutely free. If that link expires, just comment and I'll send you another link. We're trying to build this community. Let's go. Let's make this money. Happy weekend. Let's go.